Hello, this is an update on the Builderall blog or RSS feed system. It has been improved, so I see that some error has been fixed, but it still does not validate. So I will show you the few things that needs to be done in order to fix it. I show you the source of this feed as it is currently. So the good news is that now the link has HTTPS in front, and also that you fixed the publication date. So this is fine. Now, a mistake that was before, it was that the GUID needed to be a full URL. So you added HTTPS, but you put 3 forward slash instead of 2. So this should be fixed also. But there is a problem with GUID. It is that in your RSS feed, for the Builderall blog only, there is a duplicate. So the GUID is duplicated just for one article. In fact, 2 articles. It is said here. They said, column 39, GUID values must not be duplicated within a feed. And this article is drop shipping for you. I don't know how it happened, but it is 2 times in the RSS feed. So this needs to be gone. The simplest way would be to delete one of them too, of course. Another way would be to use article ID, because that's for sure it will be different. But in this case, if you use the article ID, you need to add in GUID that it is not a URL. So it's the message permalink equals false. So you will need to do that. The easiest way is just to delete one of them. And also just fix this 3 forward slash. Okay, so that will be done for GUID. Link is okay. There is one mistake here in the link of the channel. You just need to add HTTPS : okay, to make a full URL. And then there is another thing, is the atom link. You put the atom link in each item, but it is of no use. It is not here that it should be. You should have only one atom link, and it should be in the channel. So I show you here, I put it within the channel. So it can be just after link, before any item. Here, and inside, there should be a full URL, so with HTTPS, which will link to the RSS feed. So the address is this one. So it should be like this. So this way, and in the item, you can remove it. It is of no use inside. So it will make the RSS feed less heavy. Okay, so what else is done? This full link for the link of the channel, okay? And the GUID, I told you, you just remove the oldest article which is dropping for you. I can find it. And then this line will go as well, because the atom link needs to be in the channel. So it will find it. So it will be a perfect RSS feed. I can show you inside. So you can see it here at line 1430, and then also in 1610. So 1400 and 1610. Okay. So thank you for your work on this RSS feed. It's very close to be perfect and validate. I hope it will be soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.